Samsung will conduct its second Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, July 9th, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is comparable to last year's debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which occurred around the same time. The event is likely to include a full-on render, color details, and design modifications that will surprise guests. The Fold 7 is projected to sport a slimmer, more streamlined design with smaller bezels, a somewhat larger outer display, and a flatter, more contemporary profile. Rumors claim that when unfurled, it will be roughly 3.9 mm thick, making it Samsung's thinnest foldable ever. The Fold 7 also has a new hue dubbed Blue Shadow, which looks sophisticated without being too dazzling. This enhances the Fold 7's look. Samsung may be discarding the under-display camera on the main screen in favor of a typical punch-hole camera seen on more common flagship phones. This may be a trade-off for some customers who may miss the cleaner design but will benefit from clearer selfies and video chats. Expectations for performance are easy, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine under the hood, RAM choices beginning at 12 gigs or potentially 16 gigs for the top-tier model, and storage starting at 256 gigs with the possibility of 512 gigs or even 1 terabyte variations. The updated, more efficient processor should also enhance battery life. S Pen compatibility is planned, although it is uncertain if it will have a built-in slot this year or remain a distinct case condition. Overall, Samsung is laying the groundwork for a busy event, with the Fold 7 seeming like a step in the right way. It is slimmer, bolder, and addresses some of the concerns that customers have expressed concern about, such as UDC quality and the hefty feel when folded. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is likely to be a highlight of the year, with the Fold 7 representing a big contribution to the foldable market. Expect additional leaks, early hands-ons, and surprising teases from Samsung. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.